and we put it through its full loading range. First we went up through service loads, which means the stresses that the traffic will cause on the bridge. We did that. We did fatigue testing where we cycled it back and forth. We pounded it for 1 million cycles all the way up to service level. And then finally we tested the retrofit with the bolts, and then we pushed it as far as it would go to its ultimate level.
The design decisions and the details with this project are very unique. They have done UHPC for the connections between the precast elements before, but this time they are transverse and longitudinal. That's an important element of this. We put a lot of de-icing chemicals on our bridges in the winter. We do not anticipate stopping that. It's a safety issue for us, and so we need to have something that is very strong and impermeable, and the UHPC is giving us on this bridge is giving exactly that.
In keeping with environmental standards and adding to the renewal aspect of the project, materials salvaged from the old bridge were separated and reused, the concrete for fill around the new bridge, and the rebar hauled away and recycled. To best ensure ABC becomes a common solution, standardized methods are needed to further streamline on-site construction, minimize traffic delays, and save money.
Well, that's part of the goal, I think, of the Sharp 2 program is to, one, standardize what they're doing, show contractors through their pilot projects these techniques work, and then show that they can be repeated.
Once you standardize the processes, the price comes way down. Once you learn how to build bridge elements, precast bridge elements, so that they can be moved by standard equipment on a highway project, then again the cost comes down again. The goal of the Sharp 2 project, the RO4 project, is simply to make accelerated bridge construction an everyday process.
A primary concern when proposing ABC projects is constructability and affordability. Can local contractors do the job with familiar techniques and existing equipment, and for a competitive price?
One of the values of this particular project is that it's not particularly exotic. It's common structural elements, materials, but these are the kind of products, if this technology is implemented in a little more broadly, that contractors can be comfortable bidding on this. Agencies will be comfortable designing these kind of projects and looking for, not just wait for the right application to come along, but actually looking for applications where this might be repeated time and again, because that's where you'll get your savings.
Getting contractors more on board, include them early.